Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today is a super fun day because I received a Happy Planner Squad box today. It's a heavy one. This is the back to school release, so it should be full of all kinds of goodies. If you are interested in seeing what is in my squad box, then stay tuned. Okay, so as of the time that I'm filming this video, the preview for back to school is going to be on April the 29th, 4/29. And the release is actually going to be, I believe, on my birthday, May the 3rd. I will have all of the details down below in the description box, and I will have my affiliate link. I always really appreciate it when you guys are able to shop my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anymore, but that commission helps to support this channel, helps me earn an income and be able to bring you videos like this. So, all right, I'm just gonna open it and we're just gonna kind of dive right in. Maybe I can move this off to the side just a bit. All right, the first thing I see in my box is a boxed set, and this is a teacher planner, August 2022 through July 2023. And these box sets are awesome because they give you all the goodies. Like you get folders and some stickers and some dividers, all kinds of stuff. So this one on the front, it looks like it says only the brave choose to teach. I love that. So the boxed set, what else? Oh, stickers. Oh my goodness, you guys. New Mickey stickers in the bigger size. We'll just do like a really quick flip through. I, of course, will have detailed flip throughs of all of these. So this is Whimsy Teacher, Mickey themed. I love that. Ta-da! There is a new Villains release. This one is size for the big, undated vertical extension pack for the big. That's really pretty. This is going to be really great, I think, for memory keeping. How pretty will that be? That's awesome. Okay, so that's, whoa, hitting stuff, getting crazy over here. All right, undated vertical extension pack. Let's see what else. This is a block pad, very cute, Disney theme, got all your Mickey and Minnie rounded corners. I love that. Has your week to plan out. These are really great for just having on your desk, taking a few notes here and there. Love that one. Oh, there's lots of Disney. Oh, I was hoping I would get this. Okay, this is the checklist paper. Ah, this is an insert. It's classroom checklist. It says classroom on the back. You can change it if that doesn't work for you. No worries, because I don't have a classroom, but I'm going to use this paper for sure. Look at the cute little Disney stuff. Love it, love it. A new Villains sticker book in the big size as well. I'm thinking it's the same villains, it looks like, that we saw before, but now we're seeing them a little bit differently. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, look at these that you could color. Oh my gosh, that would be so fun. Okay, sorry, we're not going to do full flip throughs, I promise. But I mean, it's Villains. I kind of had to check it out. Here is a planner accessory pack. This looks like the student one. Stickers. Oh my gosh, look at that folder with Minnie. This is the teacher one. Teachers keep it all together. Teachers change the world one child at a time. That is super cute. All right, then we got Villains. Again, this is a big paper, filler paper. Looks like checklists on one side. I think we're going to have all the villains represented in there once we open it up and check it. So there's the paper. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is all the things. You have the little pencil, some color over there on the side. It looks like the back is going to be blue and say jot it down. That is some great classic sized filler paper. Love it. What else? Oh, more Villains. Villains planner accessories. This one is for the classic sized. So you have a folder and some gorgeous, oh my gosh, I can't wait to open this. Gorgeous paper, the bookmark. Love those. Okay, I can't wait to open all of this stuff. And an undated teacher extension pack. This is perfect because this is what I use for my wellness. So I'm super excited about this, plus adorable little dividers. That is super cute. All right, so that's the teacher layout. Let's get into, what else do I have here? This is a little pouch. Let me see if I can open this really fast and show you. These are this is one of those cool pouches, you guys, that like extends up. So you fill it with your pens and such, and it will stand, and then you can just go like this, and they kind of like stick out, and it makes it easier to grab them. There's even little pockets in the inside, which makes it super helpful. So I love the florals, bright and happy and colorful. So, so, so pretty. Love that. That's really pretty. Okay. What else? There's some planners in here. All right. Here we have a dashboard layout planner starting in August 2022. And this is some bright colors. Wow. I love it. Oh, that's pretty. It says just do your thing. I'm going to kind of peek. Let's see how, we'll just do a little peeky peek. It's got some color on the inside, you guys. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, just hints of color. Okay, digging that. So we have that one. We have a teacher layout Disney planner. It says teaching is my superpower. So cute. Again, I will do full flip throughs of all of these, but that is really, really cute. Okay, Disney. Then let's see, we got a Happy Notes. This is a large Happy Notes, or the big dotted line paper. You don't just teach, you inspire. Gorgeous. May your coffee be strong and your students be calm. I love that. And just plain line paper, perfect for a teacher, perfect for taking notes. Love that. All right, and here we have dotted lined paper. Oh, that's pretty. This is, design a life you love. Dotted line paper, Happy Notes. Oh, I love the discs. Love, love, love that. That is pretty. Okay, what else is in here? Another big. This is a teacher planner big. It corresponds to the one that was in the box over here. Only the brave choose to teach. Love that one. Very pretty. Big size. Great for lots of writing. And then another big planner. This is the Villains Vertical Layout Villainous Vibes in the big size as well. All right, and then there are some sticker books. Let me check it out. Let me just move the box out of the way. Now I got two big sticker books, and then these are kind of your standard size. First of all, there is a new Whimsy Teacher sticker book. Super cute. Disney themed teacher book. Then we have a new villain sticker book to add in with our other one. This one looks like it's sized for the big. Big, yes, this one is sized for big. That is cute. All right, there's villains. Modern, bookish. I like it. Very pretty. I'll do detailed flip throughs for sure. Modern, bookish, big. This is the big size one. Oh, they gave me all of the big ones. Brave, teacher in big. Very pretty, very calming colors. Love that. And then colorful things in, looks like the standard size. Lots of boxes in this one. Lots of color. I don't know, is this tiny? No. There's some smaller. I feel like, oh, it's size for the dashboard, you guys. That's why it's like that. Size for the dashboard. Love that. All right, so that is what I received in my squad box. A ton of teacher goodies. I cannot wait to see the rest of the squad unboxings, to see what everyone got, and to just check out this full release. It's going to be a good one, you guys, so you're not going to want to miss it. All right, so again, the release date on these and all the other parts of the back to school release is going to be on May the 3rd. You can head back here and check out my affiliate links. I would really appreciate it. If there's any codes or anything like that, I will definitely link it in the description box below as well. Stay tuned. I will have some more detailed flip throughs of all of these goodies. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for joining me. A huge shout out to my patrons. Thank you all for continuing to be awesome every month. And I hope you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.